Hey everyone, a few of you asked me about how to buy the tablet and what's the easiest way to get it. So in my opinion, if you go to Best Buy and then you type in one of the tablets that we have, S10, search. The tablet we like is called the Samsung, right here, Galaxy Tab 10. It's the one we know that works and like. So the things that are important, you really just want to do the 128. You don't need the 256. This is mainly being used as a video camera, right? And the color doesn't matter, right? So if you want to change that stuff. But my point is, if you get the nice gray one, which is standard, it's very affordable. But usually you can pick it up within an hour, right? So that's great depending on your store. Once you have that tablet, you can go to our website, click the pricing button here, and you're going to sign up for the starter package right here. So it's $100 a month. Once you've paid, and there's also a small demo here if you want to watch the full walkthrough of the front and the back end. Once you've paid, then you want to go here to the Google Play Store, and you can download our app. If it's hard for you to figure out how to get to the Google Play Store, you can type in fit3d.com access download, and it will bring you to the same page. Oh, I did a typo, sorry, download. There you go. So that's how to get started with Snap, easy. And I think I love Best Buy because it's easy to pick up at a local store. Thank you, bye.